Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create a starter pack on Bluesky. So, in order to do this, simply navigate to bsky.application, that is Bluesky's website. Here, what you're simply going to do is click on your profile icon at the top left, then you will see your profile page. Here, click on Starter Packs option, that is at the top of these tools. Now, click on the Create option. After you click on Create option, you will see this Invites but Personal page. So you can invite your friends to follow your favorite feeds and people. Now, you'll have to name your starter pack. I'm going to name this starter pack Hi. Now, you'll have to basically add description for your starter pack. I'm not going to do that right now. I will simply click on Next. Now, I'll have to choose people that I want to add to my starter pack. So I will add some people to my starter pack. You can also type in their name and search for them. Then simply click on Next. As you can see, I've added 9 people out of 150 people I can add to my starter pack. Now I'll have to click on Next. Here, I can choose feeds for my starter pack. So I will type in the feed that I want to add and click on Finish, or I can simply skip this by clicking on Skip. Now, this will instantly create my starter pack. As you can see now, I have the option to share my QR code or copy this link. I'll click on Share QR code and this will instantly generate a QR code that can be used for joining my starter pack. Anyone can scan this QR code and get into my starter pack. I can save this to my computer by clicking on Save icon, or I can just copy this and send it to anyone I want. As you can see, this got saved onto my PC. Now I can share this picture with anyone I want. I can also copy the link. Click on Share, click on Copy Link. Now I can send this link to anyone I want to send this to so they can join my starter pack. Also, you'll have the option to see the posts by the people in your starter pack. You can scroll down and see all the posts by them. You can also navigate to your profile picture, navigate to your starter packs, and you will see your starter packs name just right here. It will have all the list of starter packs created by you. So that is how you create a starter pack on Bluesky. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.